Hey everyone, it's Brookelynn Napier from the Plowman team, and I'm excited to show you our newest listing at 1333 Mary Street North in Oshawa. This condo townhouse has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and I can't wait for you to see it. Let's check it out. This home has been renovated top to bottom and has nothing left to be done, including a fully finished basement, which is an entertainer's dream, and I can't wait for you to see it. Now that we've seen the whole house, I hope you enjoy it and send us a message to check it out.